All right, folks. So I might have been a little hard on this particular product. As you know, I love, if you watch any of my videos, you know I love this product here by Cerakoat. I think this is the best stuff ever made for your paint or whatever. But this one here, I found out on some surfaces it does work, and on others it just doesn't. So let me explain. So I used this on these exact fenders on my Jeep JK I had. And the fenders, they were faded, but they weren't, I guess they weren't uh, faded enough to use this product. And I say that because um, uh, even though I washed them, I degreased them, I used rub 91% alcohol on them, I prepped everything before I put this on, within like a week or two, you could see the product start to like bubble up underneath. And I'll show you what I mean. Because I actually have some bumper pads here off my F-150, and they did the same thing. So this has this product on there, and you can see how it's bubbled up under there. It hasn't flaked off. It's just like lifted up or something, right? And even though these were prepped and cleaned with 91% and degreased, I think they're just not in bad enough condition. They like still have enough texture and oil. I don't know how to explain it. They just didn't work on these, and they didn't work on my Jeep fenders well. But I'll show you where it did work well on. Here's the side I didn't do. It seemed to work well on this Ford Escape here. And I think it's because this plastic here, it's less textured. It's still textured, but it's a lot less than those other things. And as you can see, that's pretty faded. And I guess, more of the oils and stuff, even though you prep it right, it's weird. Some plastic it works better on. So let me show you this side. This is the driver's side, and you can see how this is. Not the worst I've ever seen, but it's definitely sun faded, right? Now let me go over here to the other side. So here's a passenger side, and I put that product on here. And while it's not a perfectly uniform, it's way better. Since I put it on, I mean, we've had, it's all dry, but some dew and stuff has accumulated up there, but it was faded just like the other side. There's some light spots like right here, and I put it on as even as I possibly could. You can see a little there. And it was totally dry when I put it on. Like I said, that's just from overnight. But overall, I think it did a really good job on the plastic on here. I mean, one complaint a lot of people have on this is that it doesn't have a matte finish. As you can see, it kind of has a little bit of a sheen to it. But compared to the other side, I'd say this is a huge improvement. And it held on this plastic. It didn't bubble. So take it for what it is. On some plastics, it's going to work better than others. But I will say it has its uses. Just, it is what it is. It's not the perfect product, but it works pretty well. In my opinion, I like this product better still, this Rust-Oleum Wipe New. It's basically the same type of stuff. But these come with larger microfiber towels that are pre-soaked, whereas that Cerakoat comes with like a little wet naps like you'd find at a restaurant to wipe your hands off after eating some ribs or something. I really like the applicator better, and I honestly think this. I like the way this looks myself. Um, but yeah, either one of them will work. Anyways, that's my opinion. Thanks for watching. You'll have a good day out there. Catch you later.